How far is this thing? So we're in Rincon de la Veja. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Volcano National Park, and we're hiking right now to see a waterfall. I forget what that's called, but I'll tell you when I get there. Whew, and it's tiring. Just walked across a little bridge, and we're walking up this thing. It's pretty tense right now, and I'm not in the greatest shape, but hopefully this waterfall's cool. I don't know anything about it, but this park, it's got really good reviews. I think it's one of the only active volcanoes right now in the country. And after this, we're gonna go swimming. We're gonna go hiking down to a waterfall that you can swim in. Not this one, because you can't swim in this one, but another one that's outside of the park. All right, let's get there. I think it's like another mile away. So right now, we're on our way to this waterfall in the middle of nowhere. Everybody we pass by says this waterfall is really far, but they are older and probably harder for them. But anyways, it is taking forever. We're not in the rainforest anymore, we're in the desert. It's starting to rain a little bit. Hopefully it's worth the hike, because we've been at it for like an hour already. You think we're lost in the wilderness? We're lost? You don't know where to go. Huh? Yeah, let's turn around. No, we already went this far. We're going back in the woods. Going back in the forest. We just got confirmation that there's only 8 minutes to go till we get there from some lady that was walking up. So 8 minutes, now 7. Hiking back to the car. That waterfall was really dope. We swam in it. Pretty cool. Water was really cold. Well, it was really cold at first, but then once when you jump in, you're fine. Plus it was hot out, so it was nice and refreshing. But we got a long hike back, probably like an hour more. Took us, how long did it take us? An hour and a half. It took us an hour and a half to get down there, so we're already walked like 30 minutes. Got probably about an hour left. Then maybe we can try to find some food, and then we'll go. There's another waterfall that you can hike to. It's like a smaller hike, but it's really cool. All right, let's see if there's food, because I'm starving. Look how big this tree is. It's hard. Can't tell a reference. Can't really tell how big this tree is, but it's really big. All right, we got a little while longer. Horsies. Alright, so we're not going to go to the waterfall, which is right there. We're We're gonna come back tomorrow in the morning, get a fresh start. We did like 6 miles today. We're gonna go to some stores right now and get some food. So, video. Maybe better if we do it tomorrow. Cook some food.
I'm not tired.
I'm not tired. We stepped out of the hotel room. We're gonna go to a little supermarket and I'm gonna show you how Costa Rican supermarkets are. They're not anything like how you see in the United States. But we're walking down the street. Oh, and there's no sidewalks here, barely. So everyone just walks in the street. So you gotta go around them when you're driving a car. This is the grocery store. This is where the milk is. I just got some milk. Here's your juices and sodas and stuff. All your basic needs. You get some Spanish chips. You got fruit drinks, Powerade, soda, eggs. And here's some souvenirs, some clothes and stuff, some beer, car stuff. Here's your produce section. Produce. Beers. I love their beer here. Then you got like dog food and dog treats and dog stuff. Then like canned goods, rice, all your condiments and toppings, pasta, more beer. Here's your bread section, and then you get like the meats and your frozen foods.
Sí, los tips de cebolla, grados pinos. Allá,
Here's your meats. So that is what a little supermarket looks like. With your chips. Got basically everything you need for the basics. Oh, and everything is listed in colognes, because that's what they take here. I'll show you the money when I get back. Everything's in colognes. So 6,725 colognes is like, I think it's around like $2 or something. So yeah, I'll show you the money when we get back.